news stories from NaijaNews TV. National grid suffers first collapse in 2025, triggers nationwide blackout. Nearly 10 days into the new year, Nigeria's national power grid has experienced its first major collapse of 2025, plunging the nation into a widespread blackout. This is the 13th grid failure in the past 13 months, and many Nigerians are frustrated by the recurring outages. As regards insecurity, at least 21 government militia men were killed in an ambush by criminal gangs in Nigeria's northwest Katsina state, police said late on Friday. A convoy of government militia men returning from paying condolences to the family of a dead colleague came under fire from bandits in Buari, a village in the Samfana district, Katsina state. Police spokesperson Abubakar Sadiq Aliyu said. Sadly, 21 persons were fatally shot as a result of the attack, Aliyu said, adding that police were seeking to ensure the arrest of the perpetrators of the attack, which happened on Tuesday. Katsina is one of the several states in the northwestern and central Nigeria terrorized by bandits who raid villages, killing and abducting residents as well as burning and looting homes. On the foreign scene, a new report has shown that the number of Nigerians living in the United Kingdom rose from 90,000 in 2008 to 178,000 in 2021. In a report released online by German platform Statista, 90,000 Nigerians were estimated to be living in the UK as of 2008. The number almost doubled as Nigeria became the 9th-ranked country with the largest population living in the UK by nationality in 2021. Nigeria is the only African country in top 10 on the list. In number 1 is Poland, with 696,000 of its citizens living in the UK. In second place is India, with 370,000 citizens living in the UK. India and Romania ranked 4th and 5th respectively, with 342,000 of their citizens living in the UK. We will continue to bring you fresh news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.